तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees. On Raksha Sutra English, we are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. Faith, no fear. All the colorful melodrama that transpired wherever Maharaj Ji went, all the various ways the devotees thought of and reacted to Maharaj Ji and his many faces in response, the anger and abuse, the chiding, the tenderness, all of this filled the time and space when we were around him, and yet we knew that this was a part, but not the essence of the relationship. It was not acts or words or opinions, but something far more subtle that Maharaj Ji was transmitting to us. It was deep within ourselves that Maharaj Ji was gently transforming us. There was no aspect of life that was not touched by him. You know, you could go to Maharaj Ji filled with many problems. You would sit with him a while and they would all be solved. He would create an entire situation just to teach you. He never gave lectures or taught from scriptures, but he taught through incidents and situations. Maharaj Ji guided us on all levels, spiritual, mental and material. He gave instructions in how to raise children and in being a good marriage partner and in business. But these were not specific rules or instructions. He guided by changing the heart. I was invited by a group of high-powered folks and Isalen to join them in studying with a Sufi teacher in South America. I was very uncertain about the whole matter, so I wrote to KK in India and asked him to find out from Maharaj Ji whether I should go to Chile for these studies. Then the answer came back from KK. Maharaj Ji says that you can go and study with a Sufi saint if you desire. As I read the letter, something happened in my heart and I suddenly felt absolutely certain that I didn't want to go, and so I didn't. On my next visit to India, when discussing this letter with KK, he told me when I asked Maharaj Ji, he said if he wishes, let him go, and then he said why would he want to go, but then quickly he added, don't write that last part in the letter, Ramdas. It was at this deeper level that we felt Maharaj Ji to be the shepherd and ourselves to be a part of the flock. Through this unspoken process, we developed faith where previously there had been fear. Our faith was that in the midst of the changing uncertainties of the universe, if we kept Maharaj Ji in our hearts, if we just stayed under his blanket in trust, then it would be all right. Devotees who had been with Maharaj Ji for many years often reflected a fearlessness in the manner in which they lived. As the result of their faith in his protection, some he specifically taught to be fearless. Maharaj Ji once called me over and said, Ramdas, you are to fear nothing. Ramdas. Once when my finances were in disarray, Maharajji came to my place and said, I should not have anxiety. I said to him, I wasn't calling for any anxiety, though I was indeed anxious. No, you should not have any anxiety. It is strange. I am still that same person, but even in a crisis, I feel it will be set right sooner or later. Maharajji does it. I have had no anxiety. My wife says, You are completely changed. Even serious matters you take lightly. He didn't say that he would do so, but at that moment he took my anxiety. Maharajji had taken all my responsibilities on his shoulders. He told me, Don't be afraid of anything. No one can do anything against you. When he was physically before us, we were not so courageous, but now I am more courageous day by day. Now his power is working. Now I see him in dreams, but only for a moment. I have faith that he is working for his devotees. KK had much fear, suppression of the soul. Maharajji said, You are afraid. You are so simple, and they are clever, and they fool you. You are afraid of Brahmins, but you will not be afraid of anybody. KK replied, For this, I want the grace of your blessing. Then Maharajji patted him on the back 2 or 3 times, and after that everyone noticed a change in KK. One time I was reported to the officials for packing underweight fruit boxes. I was innocent, but the charge had me worried. Maharajji chastised me. Coward, never be a coward. Be brave. Coward, why do you fear? Don't you know me? I am with you. Then he reminded me of how Ram protected his devotees. He said that he too would always protect his devotees. Even if they committed hundreds of murders, he would give them complete protection. There was no dearth of examples for those who needed them to demonstrate that faith in Maharajji was well placed. Well, I was staying in Kanchi. I went to Maharajji and said, Now I have to go. It is my fruit season and I have to be there. Otherwise, I will incur a great loss. I am Birdly man. You know, my fruit must be picked and sent off to Bombay and such places. Every day I remained in Kanchi. It was getting riper and would soon be too ripe to send away. Maharajji said, No, you will stay here. You will go tomorrow. 15 days passed in this way. Then finally Maharajji said, Tomorrow I will send you. Be sure about it. So the next day I came here and the fruit was all overripe. I thought, Well, Maharajji has given me a loss. All the fruit was overripe and I could only send it off to the local markets at Kanpur or Allahabad, not to Bombay, where we got better prices. And what happened? There was a great slump in the market. Those people who had sent their fruits to Bombay, Calcutta or Madras couldn't even make up the freight charges, and I, who had sent my fruit to local markets, got more than my expectations. I had been so very much annoyed with this Maharajji who had unnecessarily detained me in Kanchi. Who knows his works? Faith, no fear. Section Stories is long, so further stories will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box Jai Neem Karoli Babaji Maharaj.